Hi, I'm Armana.
I'm Nicole.
And I'm Sneha, and our project is detecting lichen planus. 4.3% of oral diseases are lichen planus, and it is very frequent in oral patients. We are using Tinkercad to create a model of our test. We will label the proteins needed, chemicals involved, and other unclear substances that would be used for the real product. We've spent the semester researching many things regarding this topic and have created a model of how the test would look in real life to the best of our ability.
Here's some background research about lichen planus. Lichen planus is a chronic inflammatory autoimmune disease occurring in 0.4 to 0.4% of the human population, with almost 200,000 cases per year. Lichen planus mostly occurs to humans throughout the ages of 30 to 60, occurring typically during the premenopausal stage in women. Additional risk factors involve having a viral disease such as hepatitis C, exposure to certain chemicals such as antibiotics, arsenic, gold, iodide compounds, diuretics, and certain types of dyes. Lichen planus affects the oral mucosa, genital mucosa, nails, scalp, and skin. However, since oral lichen planus and its antibodies are commonly found in the oral mucosa and buccal mucosa, we felt that it would be possible to create an at-home test.
By making this model to detect lichen planus, we are able to allow patients to have medical privacy, a pressing issue that many people grapple with. Customers cannot find the time in their busy schedules to accommodate going to the hospital for a few hours and waiting for the results of the test. Using oral mucosal transudate, we are able to provide privacy for people to test for the disease.
The two diseases that would work best with the test were lichen planus and Bruch's carcinoma. We decided to choose lichen planus because it fit that criteria best. Bruch's carcinoma is fairly rare, and because one of its main results is cancer, it was too complicated to assess in such a short period of time.
The final step was to create a model for our test. This was done using the application Tinkercad. A model for the canister that holds our enzyme solution was created. It was a small cylindrical tube. This test swab container is a slightly smaller cylindrical tube with a rounded top and a small piece of plastic on the container. This design was somewhat modeled after a pregnancy test and a home test using
In
own.
conclusion, we believe that we have found a way to detect lichen planus much quicker and privately. We have researched many of the crucial proteins, enzymes, and methods, including oral mucosal transudate, OMT. We have created a 3D model of the test that we have spent this semester working on. Our hard work on our STEAM project has led us to many calls with doctors, countless study sessions, and growing closer together as a team.